Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Khushi Verma and today I will teach you about the basic accounting terms. This is the part 2 of my video. Now let's begin the video. First is debtor. Debtor are the person and or other entities to whom business has sold goods and services on credit and the amount has not yet received. These are the assets of the business and these are termed as current assets. Hence, we can say that debtors are the persons or the companies who have to pay the amount to the home firm. Now, let's move on to our next topic, which is creditors. Creditors are those persons on which we have taken goods or services on credit and amount is still to be paid to the person and or other entities. These are called creditors. These are the liabilities of the business as the business person has to pay the amount to them. Now let's take the examples of debtor and creditor for your better understanding. Now we take the first example of debtors. A is the firm and B is the person to whom the goods were sold on credit. So B has to return the amount to A for the goods purchased by him. So B is termed as the debtor of the firm A. Let's take the example of creditors. Now, let's move on to our next topic, that is goods. Basically, everybody heard in their previous classes about the goods. So, what is goods? The product in which business deals in. The item that are purchased for the purpose of resale, not for use in the business, are called goods. Suppose A is the firm and A purchase the goods on credit from B. So B is the creditor. A has to pay the amount to B. Next is drawing. It is the owner withdraw money and goods from the business for personal use. It is known as drawing. इन हिंदी हम ड्राइंग्स को यह भी कह सकते हैं कि वह पैसा या सामान जो कि बिज़नेस के ओनर ने विड्रॉ किया है, निकाला है बिजनेस से, दैट इज ड्राइंग. नाउ वी मूव अहेड विथ अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज परचेज. द टर्म परचेजेज इज यूज्ड ओनली फॉर गुड्स procured by a business for resale. In case of trading concern, it is the purchase of final goods. In case of manufacturing concern, this is purchase of raw materials. Purchase may be in cash purchase or may be in credit. Next is closing stock. But before reading the closing stock, let us discuss what is stock. Stock is the value of goods that are lying unsold in the business, and the closing stock is the stock which is left at the end of the year. Closing stock is the opening stock for next accounting year. Now let's move ahead with our next topic, that is loss. Loss is the excess of expenses over its related revenues. It is termed as loss. For example, cash or goods lost by theft or fire, etc. Loss is equal to expenses minus revenue. Next is discount. Discount is the rebate given by the seller to the buyer. It can be classified as two types: trade discount and cash discount. Now let's start with first, trade discount. The purpose of these discount is to persuade the buyer to buy more goods. It is offered at an agreed percentage of least price at the time of selling goods. This discount is not recorded in the accounts. It is deducted from the cash memo only. It is just provided by the seller to sell more products to the buyer. Next is cash discount. The objective of providing cash discount is to encourage the debtor to pay the dues promptly. This discount is recorded in the books of accounts. So guys, we have almost completed our basic accounting terms that are useful in your accountancy. If you have any doubt, comment us on YouTube. If you like this video and want to watch the part 1 of this video, I am providing the link under my description box. Thank you. And for more updates, subscribe my channel and like the video.